Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest bank reports from some of the biggest financial institutions in the world. We'll break down the key points, summarize the findings for each report, and make predictions based on these insights. Our analysis today is powered by AI to ensure thorough and unbiased insights. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the UBS, U.S. Equity Positioning, 2024-07-31 report. This report highlights significant movements in U.S. equity positioning, discussing investor sentiment and sector performance. It provides an outlook for U.S. equities considering current market conditions and economic indicators. Next, we have Barclays, Global Macro Thoughts, 2024-07-29. This report focuses on key macroeconomic trends globally, highlighting strong economic activity in the U.S. and discussing potential implications for central bank policies. This comprehensive analysis is brought to you by our AI system, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Moving on to mady, FX Daily Snapshot, or 0731. This report reviews daily currency movements, focusing on major currency pairs and highlighting key trends affecting the FX market, including economic data releases and geopolitical developments. Next, let's look at CACIB, FX Risk Index, 2024-07-31. This report provides a comprehensive assessment of FX risk, focusing on major currency pairs and offering strategies to mitigate potential market volatility. Our AI analysis ensures we capture all critical aspects of the report. Now let's discuss BofA, Equity Client Flow Trends, 2024-07-30. This report analyzes recent trends in equity client flows, highlighting significant movements and investor sentiment, and providing an outlook for U.S. equities. Next, we have RBC, European Daily, 2024-07-31. This report discusses recent trends in European markets, focusing on key economic indicators and market sentiment, and provides a short-term outlook for European markets and currencies. Moving on to HSBC, America's FX Morning Bullets, 07-31. This report provides a daily overview of key movements in the FX market, highlighting recent economic data releases and their impact on currency movements. Next, let's discuss Refinitiv, The Day Ahead, 2024-07-31. This report offers a preview of upcoming economic indicators and market events, analyzing market trends and investor sentiment leading into major economic announcements. Next, we have GS, Euro Area Q2 GDP above consensus, but Germany slows down, 2024-07-30. This report notes that Euro Area Q2 GDP beat consensus estimates, but highlights a slowdown in Germany, providing an outlook for the Euro Area economy. Moving on to BofA, Strategy Snippet maintaining our S&P 500 target of 5,400, 2024-07-29. This report maintains the S&P 500 target of 5,400, identifying strong corporate earnings, robust economic data, and favorable monetary policies as key drivers. This AI-driven analysis ensures we cover all essential insights. Next, let's discuss GS, G10 Consumer Dashboard, July 2024-07-30. This report reviews consumer behavior and spending patterns in G10 economies, providing an outlook for consumer trends considering potential economic and policy changes. Next, we have MUFG, Asia FX Talk, 24-07-31. This report reviews significant movements in Asian currencies, focusing on JPY and CNH, and provides an outlook for Asian currencies considering potential economic and geopolitical developments. Moving on to MS, U.S. Equity Strategy Weekly Warm-Up, 2024-07-29. This report reviews recent trends in the U.S. equity market, discussing sector performance and providing an outlook for U.S. equities. Next, let's discuss ING, FX Daily, BOJ Hike Doesn't Rock the Market, 2024-07-31. This report analyzes the impact of the BOJ rate hike on FX markets, focusing on the impact on major currency pairs and providing a short-term outlook. Next, we have UBS, Where Will 6TN in Money Markets Flow as the Fed Cuts, 2024-07-29. This report discusses the potential impact of Fed rate cuts on money markets, analyzing potential shifts in investment flows and their implications. Moving on to GS, Charts That Caught My Eye, 2024-07-30. This report provides visual insights into recent market trends and developments, highlighting key economic indicators and offering a short-term outlook. Next, let's discuss CACIB, FX Daily, 2024-07-31. This report reviews daily currency movements, focusing on major currency pairs and providing a short-term outlook based on current market conditions. Next, we have GS, Euro Area German Headline Inflation Beats Expectations, 2024-07-30. This report notes that German headline inflation beat expectations, analyzing the factors contributing to the performance and providing an outlook for euro area inflation. Moving on to Wells Fargo, June JOLTS hunkering down 20-730. This report analyzes the latest JOLTS data, highlighting a normalization in the labor market and providing an outlook for the U.S. labor market. Finally, let's discuss UniCredit. Markets today, 2024-0731. This report discusses recent trends in global markets, focusing on bond yields and equity performance and recommending investment strategies based on current market trends. All these insights have been thoroughly analyzed by our AI to ensure accuracy and depth. To summarize, here's a quick overview of our findings. 1. Economic overview. Mixed sentiments globally with cautious optimism in some regions and concerns over potential recessions and geopolitical risks. 2. Currency movements. USD. Potential for strength due to geopolitical factors and economic data. Potential downward pressure from economic uncertainties and Fed policies. JPY. Strengthening due to political pressure on the BOJ and economic factors. USD JPY sensitive to changes in US yields. GBP and EUR. GBP influenced by UK inflation data and market risk aversion. EUR stability depends on ECB policy and economic data. Emerging markets mixed performance with some underperforming due to fiscal concerns and trade tensions. Asian currencies impacted by China's economic data and US-China relations. 3. Market sentiment. Recovery in U.S. tech stocks influencing FX volatility. Equity performance affecting currency trends. The key economic data releases and central bank meetings remain crucial for market movements. Predictions for currency pairs based on today's reports. On EUR/USD, expected to remain stable with limited movements until clearer signals from the ECB and political developments in the U.S. 1. Potential for slight downside due to Eurozone growth concerns. 2. USD JPY, likely to weaken further as Japanese yen gains strength from domestic inflation trends and potential BOJ policy adjustments. GBP USD, potential for further strength if UK inflation remains steady, reducing expectations for rate cuts by the BOE. 4. NZD USD, NZD expected to maintain strength due to better than expected economic data and dovish RBNZ stance. Of USD CAD, likely to remain under pressure due to softer Canadian CPI data and expected BOC rate cuts. 6. AUD USD, potential for slight strength in AUD as the USD remains under pressure, but watch for domestic economic indicators. NUSD CHF, broad-based USD selling might continue to pressure this pair, with CHF benefiting from safe haven flows. 8. EUR GBP, expected to remain around current levels, with slight potential for GBP outperformance if BOE reduces rate cut expectations. 9. USD BRL, volatile with potential for BRL weakness due to fiscal uncertainties in Brazil. USD ZAR, potential for ZAR underperformance despite broad USD weakness due to domestic economic challenges in South Africa. 11. Gold, likely to see increased demand as a safe haven asset amid global economic uncertainties and political tensions, potentially driving prices higher. That's all for today's analysis. Remember, all these insights have been thoroughly analyzed by our AI to ensure comprehensive coverage. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and updates. Thanks for watching and happy investing.